natin dito. Mag-french fries ka muna. Ito muna. Kamaya naman to. Snacks mo to, ha?
What's
Ano ba
this
yan?
then?
Dumikit na yung ano, tissue. Oh.
What's this then?
Yan, kainin mo na ngayon yan.
Gawa you. That's done. I just fell at this. I just kala to? Where's mine? And the see. Can you get?
Baba mo. Pagkain niyo baba. Dok, baba out na lang.
Nahugasan na ba yan?
Yes, I watched it.
I thought this one french fries you like. Sabi mo, twister fries.
Just a little spicy.
Hindi.
It's for my opinion, Nana. This is my chopstick. It's not fact, it's opinion. He's going to watch, bruh. And he was doing this. He's running. This is birthday.
Hey!
Do we celebrate Jesus' birthday on Christmas or not
Or-
likely? This is very, very scary. This is very calming for me. No, not my
Mas maganda pa nga yata sa ano eh. Sa McDo, sa Fatima.
Oh.
Hindi mahaba pila.
Layo na yung putang ako.
Kuya, mamaya mo na to kainin na. Yung ano mo. Snacks mo yan.
Tomorrow I'll go to Barangay. That's on Disney. My costume is Elsa. Who's that?
Dapat sinabi mo yung kay One.
Mommy!
Sinabi mo.
I'm looking that pink. I wash it.
Sabi ko kay Prince, kalahati lang muna kainin yung McDo. Ay, ano, Big Mac. Kasi malapit na mag-dinner.
Bye-bye.
Ito yung mais nga. Nagbablog pala.
2. 1.
Ewan ko.